In this video, let us install Vue.js onto our system. Now there are basically three ways you can add Vue.js to a project. You can import it as a CDN package, you can install it via npm, or you can use the official CLI to scaffold the project. So we'll go with the third option. Now let us go down. So with the CLI, you have to run this command npm install -g @vue/CLI to install the CLI version. So run this command to install Vue CLI globally. Now once you are done with this, to create a new project, open Visual Studio Code in your working folder. So currently we are having an empty folder. To create a new project, you have to run the command vue create, and then you have to give a name to your project. So let us give Vue3 demos and press enter. Now the next step is to pick a preset. So let us go with the third one, Vue3 preview, Vue3 Babel and ESLint, press enter. So you can see the Vue CLI version 4.5.9 is getting installed. So it is currently installing the CLI plugin. Let us wait for a while. So now we have successfully set up our Vue project. Let us examine the folder structure that we got. So right inside the Vue3 demos folder, we have this folder structure. So we have the src folder, within which we have the components folder and the app component. So here you can see the app component, just as a regular component, uses a template tag. Then we have our HTML image tag. Then we have a component, which is the hello world component that we are importing right here. And we are registering it so we can use it within our template of app component. Then right inside the components folder, we have the hello world component. So here we have all these documentation related things. Then our script. So here we are having a props object and the name of the component and the styles, right? Now let us run the local development server to see what we get. cd vue3 demos, and then run the command npm run serve. So it is spinning our development server. So here is what we get in the browser. So this is what we got from the scaffold project that we got from Vue CLI. So in the next video, we will demystify the setup method and understand how we can set up reactive properties in Vue 3. So let's catch up in the very next one.